SageMaker. I'm currently enrolled in the Big Data Analytics course in the Trent University. This is my project for the Big Data course named Flight Price Prediction using the Amazon's S3 as well as the Amazon SageMaker. So the first graph indicates the number of days left for the departure versus the actual price of the ticket. So one thing to note in this particular data set is that when you are booking a flight, the number of days left to the departure, like the prices will start increasing at that time. So for example, if a flight is at 15th of May and you are booking today on 24th of April, it might be the case that you might get a discount or less amount to pay for that particular flight. But if you go and book a flight for around 20 10 to 15th of May, then the prices of the particular flight might soar to another level. The predicted price of the airline is not that distinctly different from the actual price, but there are slight inclusions of the error. This error might happen because of the fact that the data set is it might be somewhat small, and we need huge and vast amount of data in the real world to analyze particular flight trends and as well as to determine the price of the flight for that particular location. So my second graph, that is a pie chart, that it denotes that most of the people in India, they prefer the economy class airlines. So the business class is preferred by the 15% of the population, while the economy class is preferred by the 84% of the population. This or then my third graph, that is the bar chart, indicates that the Indigo Airlines is the most preferred airline among the Indians traveling domestically in India. Which states, like, it was quite a shock for me to see it, because most of the time when I was a kid, I used to hear about Vistra as well as the Air India, as they are the two major players working in the airline industry in India to provide their services. But it seems like people are shifting towards Indigo rather than Air India or Vistra. My third graph is a side-by-side comparison between the price of the business class as well as the counterparts of the economy class. As you can see that the business class price is way higher for Vistra as well as the Air India as compared to other classes. The price of the economy class on different airlines seems to be also rather high, where with Air India and Vistara coming the top two, and then our favorite, that is the Indigo, it has more like cost friendly or customer friendly prices. So this is my whole gist of the project in a particular poster. Now I will show you the Amazon S3 bucket where I have stored the data, as well as the Amazon SageMaker where I have created notebook instance. This is the Amazon S3 bucket where I have created a bucket called as the Trent Big Data, in which I have stored a file called as the flight_data.csv, which I'm accessing from the Amazon SageMaker. So this is the whole picture of the Amazon SageMaker, where I have created a notebook instance, and in which I have created a Jupyter Lab notebook where I'm doing all the programming, all the coding in a particular file to analyze, visualize, as well as to predict the flight prices. So basically, in order to connect the data from the S3 bucket, I simply have to only initiate the location of the bucket on the Amazon SageMaker. This is the whole thing of the Amazon cloud. Like, it's interconnectability between the different services that they offer. I don't have to do it in any big way or weird way, but it's just straightforward. Like, you initialize a bucket data key and then just give a storage location of S3 colon slash slash and the location of the bucket and the data key. So I have also tried with various algorithms to determine which algorithm should be the best for the particular data set, namely the linear regression, ridge regression, decision tree, random forest, AdaBoost, K-nearest neighbor, gradient boost, and extra tree classifier, of which I have selected the random forest classifier. So yeah, this is my project. I hope you like it, and thank you.